So, I mean, there isn't anything fancy with this one. If y'all were in my blade sharpening class yesterday, you know that I have certain procedures that I use for putting my blades back together. And after I have all of my blades taken apart and I'm getting ready to put them back together, I have them all stacked on one side of my 12-piece muffin tins that I use. And because I work out of a van, I have limited real estate that I have to work with. So sometimes I would go to a place and I would get 6 or 8 blades. That's not a big deal, but I was just at a place that handed me 27 blades, and then I went to another place that handed me about 35 blades. And I have a number of these muffin tins in my van, so oftentimes what I'll do is I'll stack them out in a row, and I'll start loading the blades into the pans, take them apart, do my sharpening, put them back together, and then I have my whole counter full. So I'm like, well, where am I gonna put my blades back together? So one day I was walking through Dollar Tree, and I found one of these little bamboo cutting boards there. And I was like, hey, that looks like it's about perfect size to fit on 1/2 of these muffin tins. So I took this. I have on my counters in my van the material that you put in the drawers of a like toolboxes. And so I just cut a piece of that out, glued it to this, and it fits perfectly right here. And then that way I can use this and put the blades together. And what that allows me to do is if I have a stack of these across my counter, I can put this in the middle so I can work from one side to the other, then one side to the other. I don't have to start over here and then walk all the way over to be able to put the blades together in an open spot that might be in the counter a little bit further down the van. So it's really just a space saver. So anyway, I hope that helps someone.